Backcountry Survivalists here.
And this is the Waterhole, and pretty much what happened was a rock or something fell in and created a hole in it, and so it's pretty much all drained out. So we're gonna be making a video probably next week and on like how to patch the hole, or maybe putting something else in the hole so it can fill with water. In the meantime, we'll be spraying this food plot, and then after that planting a cover crop, and then we can plant clover from there. The cover crop we're using consists of rye and different types of oats.